Oh, there you go.
Ultrasonic's being triggered.
Oh. It's like... Put your hand in front of it.
Well, hold on, there you go, straight. I gotta adjust the ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor, because it's triggering too easy.
That's moving so fast. Can we slow it down?
You can do whatever you want.
The motors. You see how fast that's moving? It collides with something. It's gonna.
That's at 200.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 50% power.
Wow.
Maybe. I'm
That's
more
like
interested in
going
IR or ultrasonic right now.
Yeah, it's gonna hit the wall. Oh!
What? Woo! Wait. Oh!
Oh! It works.
Oh,
Okay.
stop.
Works a little too good.
Stop it. Kill it. Kill it.
Kill it.
For two different pieces.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they are.
I've never had these two apart.
Yeah, but you have that gap. They should be two separate pieces.
They're separate, but they're.
It's just got little strands in the interior. But everyone's got you did a set of dice and you did them at 100%. So you can't do 100%.
Which takes even the robot.
Well, it didn't take long because it's dice were really this big.
But they do take
You
time.
can imagine a bigger job.
We can
But you about half of this thickness.
Well, who's all
That's where it'll start doing.
That's not an appropriate heading.
So they give you those ahead of time? Then?
Yes.
All right, and then on the robot here, this is the bank of LEDs that we register to identify the sensor tests are working correctly. The red one here is for the ultrasonic, the green is for the infrared, the two orange ones or yellow ones on the side are for the contact sensors, which are right here and here. So.
Okay. Based on orientation, it thinks that it needs to turn right to head towards the beacon. So if we turn the robot right,
That actually triggered the ultrasonic.
That may be picking you guys up a
little bit.
Yeah,
picking up?
it's picking
Okay.
up the ultrasonic.
Okay.
Ultrasonic works. Check.
Can you just change the potentiometer? Will that work?
Yeah.
Pull this forward.
Now, what was the reason for the 180 degree instead of 360 for the beacon?
To make our life harder.
That's what the,
That was the whole
that's what
purpose for the
said
competition?
it was going to be.
Okay, I was just curious why they limited
Yeah,
it to
my
180.
theory is it's a rotating beacon.
So now what we're saying here is it's turning right. We are getting double signals though. But if you see the wheels over here are turning far faster than the wheels over here, which are turning slower to compensate for it to turn to the left.
So it's trying, it should be turning left towards the beacon signal, and see you can, that was the center, but
Ultrasonic, yeah.
still picking something up.
Yeah, with the ultrasonic, yeah, tilt it back the other way. There's something
Yeah.
still in it. The ultrasonic code, we're turning to the left now, and ultrasonic off. Or the IR.
Okay, this is broadcasting basically the beacon is pretty close to facing south, and since we're not facing south, it should be trying to correct. You can see by the wheel speed, it's trying to turn left to orient towards facing north to head to the beacon.
Back away from
Yeah, come on.
There it is, there it is.
4, 3, 2, 1. Blink, blink. Uh-oh. What did it pick up?
IR or something.
No, it's negative.
Probably cell phone.
Yeah, put it up more up front, maybe.
It might have
There you
been
go.
the light.
Maybe the shadow.
Yeah, maybe the light. The IR maybe.
It could be the light.
Well, it should
Going
be
for it.
safe.
It's veering though. It knows it's veering its direction.
Yeah, it wants to turn left or right. There you go.
Apparently 150 is not enough.
I think the infrared is getting tricky.
Yeah, I think the IR is messing it up.
Which way?
But it's turning.
It's got a fine will. It's not picking her up right now. They're up.
A demo gone wrong.
I need some.
Why is it
Why is it picking up? It wasn't picking up before.
Contact works.
Oh yeah, contact works.